Waste is currently a major obstacle to London's hopes of becoming a sustainable city. Londoners produce about 17 million tonnes of waste per year. Of that, 17.7% is recycled, double the amount from 5 years ago. But London is still a long way behind its European neighbours. The Germans recycle half their waste, the Dutch 2/3. 73% of London's waste goes to landfill sites. But the amount of landfill space is running out. The city authorities have set a target to recycle 35% of all waste by 2015, but people are not yet obliged by law to recycle.
There's no real impetus at the moment for the householder to recycle, apart from being a good thing to do.
The 3 million tonnes of waste that is recycled in London every year is brought into sorting centres and separated out. Some of it's then burnt in giant incinerators to generate power, which is put back into the national grid. But waste experts say London stands no chance of meeting its targets by 2015 unless more facilities like this are available for local councils to work with.
There's not a great deal that local authorities can't collect as long as they've got somewhere to take it. The creation of this new infrastructure may need up to and including £2 billion for London alone.
After being recycled, London's waste paper is sold on to different countries around the world, including China. By contrast, China has a tradition of recycling that's for many both a way of life and a business opportunity. These people are Beijing's recycling collectors. They scour the city, hoping to find rubbish that can be sold to scrap dealers and then recycled. Throughout Beijing, there are over 120,000 people recycling rubbish, mostly from poor regions outside Beijing. They earn up to $5 a day.
说现在呢，就说是我们认为生活在这些底层的这些人啊，他们
People think those collectors are at the very bottom of society, that they are lower than us.
第一等。其实他们呢，他们在为
In fact, they are giving us, society, the whole city, a lot. They should have our respect.
他们在做的贡献，他们应该得到我们的尊重。
Rubber is taken to Dickens'opening City, glass goes to Handan City. Each year, they'll transport around 2 million tonnes of waste.
The recyclers move over 2 million tonnes of waste a year. Beijing recycles 30%, half as much again as London. The rest either goes to landfill or is incinerated. What they can't sell, the recyclers bring to 821 waste collection points dotted all over Beijing. Here, waste is compressed and shipped out to landfill sites. But some experts want to approach the problem from a different direction.
Why not work on producing less rubbish? For example, reducing packaging, trying to obtain materials from nearby so they take a shorter journey, reusing and second-hand trade. These are all possible ways to reduce the amount of rubbish, so we hope in the near future rubbish will decrease. It's a shame because at the moment rubbish is increasing.